Grandpa likes to walk in the morning. We get water from the well in the morning. I read a book in the afternoon. I sing songs in the afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon. I play with my friends in the evening. Help my